Alright, the first step in installing the hacks is you gotta turn off your antivirus. And it sounds unappealing, but the fucking injector and DL always get turned, like, they always get deleted. So you wanna turn this bitch off. Don't worry, the file's only 1 megabyte, so don't trip. There's an injector and a DL in it, that's about it. So you wanna download that bitch. It's gonna tell you it's a virus, it's not a virus. You wanna click keep. Go to your downloads, wherever it's at. OBS is in the background. So here it is. I'm gonna bring it down to the desktop, so it's a lot easier to see. I'm gonna extract it. It's really straightforward. You want to open this bitch up. Inside is an injector. Look at that. So you want to add the DL, which is Lychee. Boom, easy. I have Garry's mod already running, but you want to click play to launch that shit. But you want to go to process name, click select. You want to look for Garry's mod. It's really easy to find. Let's see. Oh, it's almost there. There it is, Half-Life. Boom, easy. You want to click inject. Boom, injection complete. I go to Garry's mod. The hacks are in. Check this out. I recommend turning off the developer console. That shit's mad annoying. And let me turn everything else off real quick. Let's see. Charms, active weapon, box. I don't need that shit. Stick to target, silent. That's about it. You want to join a server. I'm gonna find a really easy server to join real quick. Guess I got shit there. Let's see. Oh, here we go.
Oh,
shit,
answer because you answered my question.
Oh my god,
The game is over, Spider.
So got him next month. Yo, so basically
We're
like
so
20th day in a row.
fucking good.
Oh my god, this is
Double
not like
easy.
Basically, for 10-minute videos, I'll just stop it all before it gets, and it gets to like 5. Because some videos like those are hard to find in smaller than 10.
No, it's not because you want like you were on. One day I wasn't on because I was lazy. I was too lazy to get on. Also another day because I was sick.
Hey.
Hey, whoa, no shooting. Meme dealer, do you want God?
Can all of you guys please stop talking at once?
You're a meme star.
I want
Alright, no, leave me alone. Who said that?
You're a meme star.
Game
on. Go.
Please stop singing and like that.
Can I get a god so I can build?
I got you.
Do not warn me.
Alright, Global,
what are you doing,
should
bro?
rename yourself to Silver on Cisco because you have to use aimbot on Garry's mod, my friend.
Oh, don't worry about it, dog. What do you mean?
Alright, so what I'm gonna tell you is
That's it, boys.